Hey guys, it's Omara with Side Hustle Exploration. Today, I'm going to introduce a new side hustle, aka how to get started in Airbnb. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I created this channel dedicated specifically to those who are looking to diversify their pockets like me. If that's you, keep watching. We're gonna go into my new venture. In my home search, I was like, I'm going to want to live somewhere where I have the capability of also bringing in income, aka I was looking for a property that I can list on Airbnb and make some side money on. I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? So what I did in my search for a home was look for a single family home that also had a finished basement. When I say finished, I mean like legit completely finished, floors and bathroom, and some form of a water source where people can wash dishes at the least. And that's exactly what I found. Now the steps that I do need to take before I'm able to sell on Airbnb is furnish this space. So what did I do? What am I doing for furnishing? Let me break it down. I literally am using my friend, my favorite place to shop at, my go-to in the need of go-tos. I'm using Amazon. That's right, Amazon.com for furnishing my Airbnb space. So what I have done was I'm getting my bed, my TVs, nightstands, couches, a sleeper sofa, a pull-out couch, like literally whatever I can get on Amazon, I'm getting on Amazon. The only thing that I am not getting on Amazon are the decor pieces in which I had to get somebody to come in for. So in that sense, I am hiring out services for someone to kind of add the finishing touch, the pieces that will bring everything together in that space. I'm hiring someone for that. In addition, pictures matter, guys. Pictures matter. So when my space is fully furnished, I'm going to be looking at getting a real estate picture taker, whatever you, photographer. I'm gonna be looking at getting a real estate photographer to take pictures of my space so that I have quality images that are enticing and inviting for my future Airbnber to stay at. I want my space to look its best without deception. When the person click on my listing, that they're like, wow, I want to stay over there. That is beautiful. In addition to that, I'm going to be paying attention to the quality of service that I bring. I'm going to be making sure towels are fresh looking, possibly add some things like slippers and bathrobes into the situation, because we all know when we're going somewhere, we kind of like to be pampered a little bit. I mean, I do. So given that, if I can create that ambiance, that vibe, that feel for my potential customer, I feel this Airbnb is gonna be popping. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. But this is my new venture, and now this is a situation that I'm getting started in, and you guys to get to go into this process with me as I create my listings, as I furnish the space. I'll be limiting the space, how much I share of the space, but yeah, I look forward to this, and I'm sure like you're probably gonna enjoy the journey as you watch it. But this is Omar with Side Hustle Exploration. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and share this with someone that might be interested in what I'm doing and want to follow along that process with me. Have a great day. Have a great night wherever you guys are watching from. Bye.